Hi, I'm Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks for joining me today with another walk around. Please feel free to give me a call on my cell phone with any questions after this video, 303-875-3988.
Here we are with the 2019 Montauk 170. This hull has been completely redesigned for 2018, as you can see here. It still maintains the dry ride that the Montauk has been known for, as well as the durability. What they did was get rid of a lot of that slap in the chop that you no longer have with the more aggressive V up front. Also on the inside, the front storage locker is converted into two pieces that are separate and drained separately as well. Got a storage locker in the center here. This one also comes with the optional Teak side steps as well as swim platform in the back. Got a large cooler at the helm that's reversible. Also reversible rear seating with another cooler. Here's your Teak swim platform that I was talking about, as well as a telescoping ladder. This particular model comes with a 90 horse outboard, which is plenty of horsepower for this. This particular Montauk was ordered with the low rail option, which gives you plenty of grab handles while you're seated, but makes it easy to get on and off the bow of the boat as well. And if you're going to use this as a fishing boat, not only do you have 4 rod holders up front, but you've got 4 rod holders back at the stern, as well as a built-in tackle box, and even a trolling motor prep package up front. Finally included in this price is the trailer that you see the boat sitting on, with its swing tongue, an extra heavy duty jack. It makes it very easy to use. Boston Whaler uses only the best galvanized steel as well, so you don't have to worry about corrosion for years to come.